I always say mo butter, mo better. That's just some of our sweetened condensed milk right here at the bottom of our grease 13 by 9. Grabbing some of my peach pie filling, and I'm just gonna bring this over, and I'm gonna put my knife in here to cut these into smaller pieces, just like that. I want them to be kind of peach bites as opposed to full peaches. Now I've got a flour tortilla here, and I'm just gonna put a little bit of this peach filling right in the center, kind of just spreading it edge to edge. One more peach, why not? And now I'm just gonna fold and roll this over, and I'm gonna set that right back here into my 13 by 9. I'm just gonna repeat that with some more of my tortillas, and we're gonna fill that all up with yummy, yummy dessert goodness. This is gonna be nothing like you've ever had before, but you're gonna wanna stick around because it's gonna make your mouth water. Perfect. All right, I'm just gonna top these with a little bit more of our sweetened condensed milk. I could spread this around a bit, all on top. We're not done yet, but this is just gonna really absorb in and make these absolutely delicious. Of course, you can make your own peach pie filling. Just boil some peaches on the stove with brown sugar and cinnamon. I kind of like to do it that way, but we're just doing it the quick, easy way today. I think y'all are really going to love this. Okay, I'm just grabbing a bowl here. I'm gonna bring this over. Okay, I'm gonna throw in a little bit of all-purpose flour, maybe 1/4 a cup. Now I'm gonna throw in almost the same amount of brown sugar here. Maybe I've got actually about 1/3 and 1/3 of a cup. I'm gonna throw in some of our ground cinnamon. Just a pinch, about a teaspoon. Now I've got a stick of butter here, and I've got something super fun to show you guys. All right, that's just my potato ricer. I just riced my butter through there to make it nice and even into smaller pieces. Beautiful. My mama always said, mo butter, mo better. And I'm just gonna squish this all around. We're just making a yummy little topping here for our dessert enchiladas. You could put any fruit flavor you want in here. I'm just using peaches because, I don't know, they make me think of summer, and some places the winter's dragging on and you just want it to be summer already. So I'm nostalgic for the summer right now, but I think it'll be here soon enough, and then of course I'll wish it was fall. All right, I'm just gonna keep mixing this up till we've got our topping all incorporated with that butter. All of our loose powders are mixed in, and yummy, 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 yummy goodness. This is looking amazing, y'all. And how fun is that potato ricer? Oh my gosh, you could just rice your potato just like that and then drop it in some hot oil to make some fries, shoestring fries. Oh, I gotta try that for Marty later on. All right, I'm just gonna drop little crumbles of this right on top here. Y'all, I might have got a little too much butter because mine is like sticky, sticky. What do you think, Andrew?
I think it looks good.
Y'all, this is gonna be absolutely delicious. This is a real special dessert, something fun, easy for the kids to make if you're looking for the kids to make something with you. And then this little streusel topping on here. I love to put this on my coffee cake. And I'm always looking for more places I can put some streusel. Alrighty, y'all. I'm popping these into my oven at 400 degrees for 15 minutes. Alrighty, y'all. Our dessert enchiladas are ready. Oh my gosh. So we ended up baking them about 20 minutes, and then I did just let them cool. I am so excited. Peach pie streusel enchiladas. I cannot think of anything better. Oh my goodness. I can't, Maybe I should have made a wider little cut in there, y'all. Whoop. All right, I'm putting a little bit of whipped cream on here. You could do always a little bit of, you know, ice cream if you wanted. Can you sit for me? Could you give me your paw, Winnie? Can you give me your paw, Winnie? Good job. We're working on it. Okay, you. Can I get a paw? Oh, so smart, Tuck Tuck. All right, guys, good job. I'm gonna wash my hands. All right, y'all, dessert enchiladas. I think this is gonna be the new thing. Got some of that streusel topping, our tortilla. I've got our peach, and of course, some whipped cream. Oh my gosh, this is so good. Wow. Y'all, this is excellent. I'm gonna try this with other fruits. You definitely gotta try it. Ooh.